Hi, Todd Bourne here in the Forecast Center with a look at your weather week ahead here on ArkleTexHomepage.com as well as the ArkleTexHomepage.com news app. And as we look at that weather pattern, you can see the same pattern that we've seen off and on through this very last half of the winter. As you can see, upper level low off the west coast and the southwesterly flow, which is pumping a lot of moisture into the Arklatex. We also have the big upper level ridge here over the southeastern Gulf of Mexico, combining with this upper level low to produce that southwesterly wind above us, and as a result we have lots of clouds and off and on rain chances across the region. Our next best chance for more widespread showers and possibly some strong thunderstorms will hold off until a piece of this energy out west moves through the middle of the country as we look ahead to Thursday night into Friday. In the meantime, tonight we are looking at temperatures that will kind of settle into the low to middle 50s across the Arklatex. In Texarkana tonight, looking at a low at 56 degrees in Shreveport, 58 degrees for the nighttime low in Natchitoches. Daytime highs tomorrow will be warmer across the region as most locations warm up into the 70s, 72 in Texarkana, 77 tomorrow in Shreveport, and 79 in both Manny as well as in Natchitoches for your Tuesday daytime high. Now, as far as rainfall, again, we are looking at a few showers across the region, mainly during this Monday evening, but as we go through the night tonight, rainfall chances will likely diminish. Just a slight chance for a little bit of a shower, but most of us likely will stay dry for most of the night. As we go through your Tuesday, most of tomorrow looking dry, but as we work our way into the latter stages of Tuesday afternoon into the evening hours, you can see Futurecast and other models do indicate a few pop-up thunderstorms developing here and there across the region during the latter stages of Tuesday evening. That activity will wind down tomorrow night, and as we head into Wednesday, still looking at lots of clouds, a breezy south wind, but nothing really too much as far as rainfall for Wednesday, as we will see about a 20-30% shot for that scattered shower across the region, but much of the Arklatex will stay dry for Wednesday. Now, as we look longer range, a cold front will make its way into the region, and that upper level energy. Let me go back here and show you, before we talk about rainfall potential, show you the timing of the rainfall here. As the upper level energy arrives, you can see the rain increasing Wednesday night over the northwestern edge of the Arklatex. That chance for the shower and thunderstorm will gradually spread to the south and east, and late Thursday afternoon, especially northern half of the area, we'll see that shot for the shower and thunderstorm, and that risk for a few thunderstorms will continue through the southeastern half of the area Thursday night, and into Friday everything shifts more towards the south and east as we'll kind of begin to dry out just a touch. You can see the blue arrows there indicating some cooler air is going to return to the Arklatex to close out the work week and head into the weekend. As temperatures will fall Friday, likely we'll see our high early in the morning with temperatures falling into the 50s Friday afternoon, and then going through Friday night and Saturday, basically dry conditions, but we will continue to see quite a bit in terms of clouds across the Arklatex. Now, here's a look at rainfall potential, and keep in mind this only takes us through the first big chance of rain, which will be Thursday. And it looks like, generally speaking, Futurecast may be a little bit underdone here, but I would expect to see most of us seeing 1 to 2 inches of rainfall, with most of this happening Thursday night through Friday. Okay, and then we'll take a break, and then all indications are we'll see another possibility for some decent rain towards the end of the weekend, which could bring rainfall totals to that 2 to 4 inch range here during the 7-day period. As far as the overall pattern in the week ahead, you can see what's going to be happening here. We will see that upper level low over California gradually move into the middle of the country. Here's the disturbance here, which will give us a possibility for some thunderstorms. Jury's still out. I do expect severe weather to be on the table here for Thursday and Thursday night as that cold front approaches the area. As this little bit of energy moves into the middle of the country, that'll sweep its way on through, and then you can see another wave coming with another upper level impulse diving into Southern California. That'll keep that shot for the rain in our forecast for Sunday as well, and then things will begin to lift to the north as we go into the beginning of next week, with things starting to quiet down by the time we get to the middle of next week. So all in all, it looks like a very cloudy, very soggy off and on weather pattern for the Arklatex here, with some above normal temperatures for most of the week ahead. We will see a batch of cooler air begin to move in as we close the work week and head into the weekend. So here's a look at your 7-day forecast. You can see that we will see temperatures warming up for the next few days, upper 70s to low 80s for highs in Shreveport. Overnight lows will eventually warm back up into the 60s. That front moves in at 67 Friday. very well could be before sunrise, okay? And then we'll see temperatures fall through the day as the colder air begins to move in with that northwesterly wind. Saturday, mainly dry, very slight chance for a little bit of rain, and then rainfall chances will increase again for Sunday and Monday as temperatures will probably stay in the 50s and 60s for highs. We'll see lows settle into the 40s and lower 50s. In Texarkana, you're looking at, again, that possibility for the afternoon thunderstorm tomorrow. Slight chance Wednesday. Most of the rain will be Thursday night into Friday morning. You'll take a break as well Saturday, and then you too will see that increased chance for some rain as we go into the end of the weekend and first part of next week, with highs falling from the 70s to the 50s, lows falling from the 60s to the 40s there in the Texarkana area. So all in all, as I mentioned, get ready for lots of clouds, off and on rainfall chances as our next best chance for some more widespread showers, thunderstorms, and possibly some heavy rain at times will likely hold off until Thursday night into Friday.